So this two-tiered fruit basket was given to me by a coworker. So I thought it would be a great idea to transform this two-tiered fruit basket into a very cute Easter centerpiece that's going to have goodies in it that I will share with my work family. I will be using some Dollar Tree finds, and I will also be using these zip ties. I am going to place a couple of zip ties just loosely over the top of the basket here, and I'm going to put this Easter Bunny ears headband around the top. This is going to be so cute, so fun, and budget friendly. I am placing my Dollar Tree bunny ears headband over the top and sliding the zip ties around the band, and then I will secure it once I have it in place the way I'd like it. I will take a few more of these zip ties and secure it well. Looking good. I love it already. Now to trim off all of the excess zip ties. I also found this fun blue garland from the Dollar Tree with these cute Easter Bunny accents. I am going to adhere this cute garland from the end of the headband all the way down to the bottom of the fruit basket, again using these zip ties. The headband and the garland are going to make this piece a very fun, festive centerpiece for our table. I put some zip ties on loosely, and I'm just kind of working the garland through the zip tie loop, but you don't have to do it that way. You can just hold the piece of garland and then add the zip tie. Now to adhere the garland onto the bottom of the fruit basket. I love upcycling, I love budget friendly, and I love to do things for others. Now we have to do the other side. That was so easy, and look how cute this is. And you can very easily take these things off and have it be your fruit basket again. Now to load up our bunny basket with goodies, starting with these Dollar Tree pink camouflaged plastic Easter eggs, some plain M&Ms that are in pastel colors, crack open the egg, and fill 1/2 of the egg with our plain pastel M&Ms. Placing the pink camouflage Easter egg onto the top tier of our Easter Bunny basket, and continuing the process. I also found at the Dollar Tree the blue camo Easter eggs. We will also fill these with M&Ms, but in this case, we're going to put the peanut M&Ms nut in the blue camo eggs. Doesn't that make sense? I'm going to open the bag of M&Ms, crack open the lid, and put the peanut M&Ms on one side. Close the lid, and there you go. Put it in the basket. So the pink camo eggs have plain M&Ms, and the blue camo eggs have M&Ms with nuts. Just filling up this top tier with all the camo eggs. I love it. I also purchased a couple of bags of these solid colored Easter eggs that we're going to put more candy in, but they are going to go on the second level of the basket. I just love all of the bright, fun colors. We will be putting Sour Patch Kids in a lot of these eggs. Opening the bag, and look at that. Look at all of those Sour Patch Kids. I love these things. Cracking open the egg, using my tongs so I don't touch the candies, and placing them in 1/2 of the Easter egg, and then close it up. I will repeat this process until I have all the eggs filled. I decided that our bunny needed a bunny tail. So I had this ornament that is broken. It's a snowball ornament, and the little hole where the hook goes through to hang it is broken. So I made a hole in through the ornament and just used a zip tie to slide it through and adhere it onto our fruit basket. He is going to look even cuter with his cotton tail. The tail is on secure, so we are just going to cut off the excess zip tie or cable tie. Let's turn it around and begin to fill the second tier with the Easter eggs. Here it is, our transformed two-tiered fruit basket to this adorable bunny basket full of eggs that contain yummy treats that I'm going to share with my coworkers. I just let my imagination go and came up with this. I love doing DIY, I love doing all types of projects, and I especially love sharing them with others. This Easter DIY was easy and fun. I think it's poppin', and I can't wait to crack open an egg with my coworkers. Happy Easter.